Okay guys, this time is I will show you about unwrapping the window tint of a car in some garages. This is procedure of unwrapping, so easy, absolutely transparent, like no window. And after this I will show you the life about installing the window tint. You can see the others that show us that's with window tint and without window tint. Very nice, very calm when you see by our eyes. Okay, this is first step. Spray with the water and like a shampoo, I think, to the internal window. And roll the window tint. Window tint, for information, is already cut from the big lock to the small as the size of your car window. Okay, this is do with the professional technique, so they can cut like that. He actually cut in the air with his cutter. He still measure about the size window and the window tint. Okay, you measure very carefully and cut every outside window tint. Okay, after it's exactly after cut, we will move precisely into the form of window. Yeah, and the final cut, this looks very easy. We cut in the air, very easy. And he using a scraper for window. Okay, we count again very precisely to the final cut, fits to the size of the window, and he helped by the other people. Okay, I think it's already final cut. And he spray over and over again. Okay, you open the window for a little to get the most precisely cut. Okay, final cut more precisely. Looks amazing. So this window tint is exactly 100% same with the window of the car. And cleaning again with the blade of the cutter. This time is not use the scraper. This is for cleaning window. So the window will be ready to accept window tint. You can see we are working in the one window long as like this. You can imagine how long if he doing for all whole car. Okay, all window must be closed when installing the window tint. Air conditioning must be on, engine must be on, all doors must be locked off from the outside to avoiding dust and insect coming to the window when it has been installed. Okay, this is the most crucial step, the cleaning of the window. Remove all dust and insect and everything. You use a tissue. You make sure that everything is good, everything is clean enough. We use this scraper again. Okay, very nice, clean and perfect. Okay, you're ready. After he take off the glue of the window tint, he spray over it and over the object. So when it take off, it still can be moved, not stuck in the glass, you know. That's already with the glue inside the window tint. But between glue and the window of the car now has a soap. It makes us easily slightly to install it. That's why so many bubble inside. This is how we install a window tint in Indonesia, you know. Okay, he trying to make it fit well, so he makes down the window tint, makes down the window of the car, so it's makes perfectly fits on the window. And he started to use the scraper. Very satisfied. You can see in there, all bubbles has been removed perfectly. Ooh, and it's 100% clear. Could you see it? Perfectly fits like a mirror. After that, he moved outside to finish the final touch. That's, you can see, this is the window tint protective film. It's transparent. window tint already installed in car, and he makes precisely cut the oversized cut once again, check once again, so that makes good enough. And he used his water spray, water and soap spray to make the window tint exactly in the positions of the window of this car. Perfect. Okay, you can see it's moved perfectly. Very perfect. Final thoughts. The underneath window tint should be perfectly installed too. Okay, perfect. Now the window tint is already installed until the end of the windshield. Perfect. You can see he is very seriously to install the window film. No smile, no talking, focusing on his works. Okay, he makes everything clean, and the window do not to be going to up and down, do not to be open in the last 3 days to make the glue of the window film is 100% what you call that, sting perfectly to the glass. Wow. He said that's a perfect. Okay, very nice. This is from the outside. He check again, always double check. He move out the bubble to go outside. Check again. He trying to remove the bubble who trapped in the middle of the window film. Okay, I think it's perfect. This is the finished product, and he trying again to clear it with his napkins. Okay, once again he trying to fix it perfectly. It's very perfect window thing installing. Okay, no dust, perfect. No bubbles, perfect. Okay, very nice. Fits perfectly. So thank you for watching. That looks nice.